21% of the views on this current channel you are watching me from right now came from the US. Same thing for this short channel. But how did I get US audience as top geography on each of my videos? Usually when you post either long form or short on your channel, most of your views come from the India. Whether you make videos in English, you do proper SEO, and yet your views are still mostly from India. Why? And the biggest question is simply by posting videos or making videos in English and posting at the right time for the US audience peak time is enough to get views from US. Here is another question. If your channel is USA based but most of your views come from India, what should you do? Because there are thousands of videos on YouTube about USA based topics, but most of them just say make videos in English and post at the right time. But honestly, can you really get US views just by doing that? Today, I'm going to give you 3 proven strategies that will help you to get views from the US and rank in other tier 1 countries like UK, Australia, and so on. Strategy number 1, settings optimization. If you want to get views from tier first countries like USA, UK, Australia, or just America, it's very important to do some certain settings. Once you apply these settings, this signals the YouTube algorithm that okay, this is the kind of audience this channel is meant for. And there are 2 types of settings you need to do: channel settings and upload settings. So channel settings, open your channel in the browser, okay, scroll down and click settings, click on the channel to open that page. In country or residence, don't change anything, leave it as default. If you can take a risk, you can set it on United States and later change it back to your country, but this might create some unexpected problems when you're going to monetize your channel. Okay, then in the keyword section, add keywords related to your channel as well as the USA, like names of major US cities, shores, viral USA lifestyle, and etc. Then go to feature eligibility. For short channel, keep it off for now. For long channel, turn it on. Okay, now upload default, advanced settings, set video language to English United States, set title and description language to English United States. In community moderation, under specific channels who can redirect to your channel, mention some bigger creators in your niche. Okay, it's very important. This helps YouTube link your video to theirs. Okay, and wait, let me ask you a question. Be honest in the comment section. Did you know what I just showed you right now about linking your channel to your competitors' videos? Tell me in the comment section. Now, while uploading your video, about title for those who do automation of Faceless channel, when you're asking ChatGPT to help you with the title, don't just say give me a title for this. No, give it a clear instruction like write this in American English using American culture and terminology. For example, petrol becomes gas and biscuit becomes cookies. So do the same for your description. Set your video language to English United States and the video location to United States before saving. It's very important also. So once you do this, YouTube will know exactly which country your channel is targeting. Strategy number 2, video editing and production. After doing the settings, now your channel is ready for an US audience. Now you need to make videos that connect with them. India uses more British English, why American or US audience uses American English. For those who do Faceless channel, before generating your voice over, okay, paste your script into ChatGPT and say, please write this script in American English. This is for those who do faceless content. Now for those who do head talking like me or face review channels like this channel right now, what can you do? You just gotta improve your English, improve your accent, switching from British or whatever accent you were using to American accent, or just mix them together if you really want to hit a US based audience. Strategy number 3, SEO magic. This one is the most underestimated part of YouTube, but it decides whether your video will appear in the USA or not. Title optimization. Always include USA related keywords or hashtag like USA, America, New York, USA trending, USA lifestyle. This is for short. Now description and tags. Repeat your title keyword in your description and tags. For example, this video shows the top AI tools trending in the USA. There's American AI tools for content creator. Tags: USA shorts, American short, trending USA, viral US videos. And remember, SEO works as well for short and long form content. Alright my guys, so this was the 3 killer strategies that help you to rank in the tier first countries like USA, Canada, Australia, UK and so on. And remember, just making videos in English and uploading at the right time isn't enough for US based audience. The real game is correct settings, strong keywords and sending the right audience signals to the YouTube algorithm. This was Joshua, your friend, and watch this video if you really want to know how I monetize a YouTube channel in just 6 days. It's all yours and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. It was Joshua. Peace out.